హాయ్ చిల్డ్రన్, వివిధ రకాలైనటువంటి పోటీ పరీక్షాదారులకు అనగా ఎస్బీఐ, ఐబిపిఎస్, పిఓస్ అండ్ డాష్ 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 ఎక్సెట్రా పోలీస్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ చేసే పోటీ పరీక్షాదారులకు అందరికీ కూడా చిన్న ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఆన్సర్కి మీరు క్వశ్చన్ తయారు చేయాలి. నేనే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఆర్థమెటిక్ ప్రాబ్లం నుంచి ఒక మంచి ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఆన్సర్కి క్వశ్చన్ తయారు చేయండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని నా జీమెయిల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయండి. సంపత్పుల్లా 117@gmail.com. దీనికి క్వశ్చన్ని మాత్రం పంపించండి. లుక్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, x by y is a fraction, expected fraction, assumed one. X is a numerator, y is the denominator. Condition number 1. 1 is added to x, 1 is added to y. Then this fraction becomes to 4 by 5. X plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. This is expected fraction. This fraction becomes to 4 by 5 when 1 is added to x, 1 is added to y. Condition number 2. 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. X minus 5 by y minus 5. Then this fraction becomes to 1 by 2. Can you find the x, y? What is it telling? This is the unknown fraction. You have to find here. 1 is added to x, 1 is added to y. Then this fraction becomes to 4 by 5. Second condition. 5 is subtracted from both. 5 is subtracted from x, 5 is subtracted from y. Then this fraction becomes to 1 by 2. When this fraction becomes to 4 by 5, 1 is added to x, 1 is added to y. When this fraction becomes to 1 by 2, 5 is subtracted from x, 5 is subtracted from y. These are the conditions. Look here children, x plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. X minus 5 by y minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Do cross multiplication. From this situation you will get one equation. From this second equation you will get another equation. These are pair of linear equations in two variables. X and y both are variables. You can find the x value and y value. This solution only satisfies these two equations. Look children, multiply y plus 1 with 4, x plus 1 with 5. Then x plus 1 into 5 is equal to y plus 1 into 4. X into 5, 5x plus 1 into 5, 5 is equal to 4 into y, 4y plus 1 4 are 4. Now you can transfer 4 by this side plus 5 that side. 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5. Then 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. This is first equation. Now come close to second one. Multiply x minus 5 by with 2. Then 2 of x minus 5 is equal to multiply y minus 5 with 1. Y minus 5 into 1. 2 into x, 2x 2 5 the 10 is equal to y minus 5. Transfer this y this side and transfer minus 10 that side. 2x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 10. 2x minus y is equal to 5. This is second equation. Here two equations are there. First equation, 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 5. You can simplify these two by elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method, your wish. But here x comma y, two variables. This is first equation, this is second equation. It is a set of linear equations or pair of linear equations in two variables. ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాసే వాళ్ళు ఈ ఆన్సర్ కి క్వశ్చన్ తయారు చేయండి.